Congratulations, the contract has been accepted. As a homeowner or seller, an accepted contract is exciting, but hang on, the deal is not done. For a starter, the buyer will have an option period or termination option. This usually starts from anywhere from 5 days to 15 days, and the buyer will usually offer seller a small amount of money. This time period allows the buyer to do inspection and any other things that they want to do. If the buyer changes his mind, doesn't want to buy the house, they can terminate the contract during this option period with no reason given at all. The buyer will start inspection of the property. Sometimes when the property is inspected, there are big problems or small problems come out, and the buyer will ask the seller to fix a few things. Seller may not accept, or buyer may just not like the house because of all the problems that could come up during the inspection period. Therefore, the buyer can terminate the contract at this time. Transactions sometimes unravels at times because the buyer may not be able to obtain the financing, or the house does not meet the lender's requirements. For example, the property may not appraise according to the asking price. These are the main issues, but the list goes on. There could be disagreements over items that it was agreed upon, or buyer and seller again cannot agree on some issues. They need the property. You cannot get insurance for the properties. It could be problems with the HOAs and so on.